myself Akanksha and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll share my other favorite products with you all. और इस वीडियो के अंदर मैं अपने बेस्ट स्किन केयर और मेकअप एंड एसेंशियल थिंग्स जो हैं वो मैं शेयर करूँगी जो मुझे पूरे अगस्त में बहुत यूज़फुल रही है एंड आई एम यूजिंग मोस्ट. सो या विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम ऑल्सो जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स मैं यहाँ यूज़ कर रही हूँ आई लिंक देम एवरीथिंग इन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. इफ यू वांट टू परचेज इट यू कैन गो एंड परचेज इट. Starting with the video, I have few products with me right here, and I'll start with the most recent product I've bought and the most effective product I just believe. It's the Ayurveda Co hair cleanser which contains Methi Minerals and Amla. It is 100% natural hair cleanser. It is ISO certified and no animal testing is done. So you can completely rely on this and you can use it without hesitation. It claims that it helps for hair growth and fall control. Yeah, I have used this product and it is really very effective. With this, I also have the hair oil which has Methi Minerals and Amla in it, and again it is ISO certified and no animal testing is done. Sulfate and paraben free also, and yes, it is an advanced formula for hair growth and fall control. So you can check it out. I have linked this product in the description box, so you can use the code as well Akanksha to get extra 20% off. So the second product I have with me is this cold pressed coconut oil by Anvesham, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, I have this cute little bottle with the coconut pressed oil, and it is a very useful product for all those who DIYs for face and skin try करते रहते हैं. And yes, we all know coconut is the best for our hairs, and yeah, it's 100% natural. So you can try this bottle also. I have this small bottle, you can have the bigger one as well. I will try to link this as well in the description box so you can check if it is available. So the third product we have is this cute Bioderma mini range. I have two of them for my mom, and one of them is for pore refiner and the other one is for anti-spots. So if you have enlarged pores, you have open pores, so you can try these out. These are really effective and really the packaging is really cute, travel friendly है, and it is not that much expensive. So if you have open pores, so you can give it a try at least. So the next product I have is the oil free moisturizer by Mamaearth, and it is the apple cider vinegar face moisturizer for acne prone skin. I have used this product and it's really good. Generally moisturizer लगाने के बाद we feel that our skin is oily, so I have used this and yes, I can say that it doesn't feel oily on your skin, and it is really good moisturizer. This small tube is also travel friendly, so you can carry it when you are traveling. फिलहाल कोविड है, but when the situation will be good, so you can have this and you can keep this in your travel kit. So the next product is very common product, but I started using this in August only and I just loved it. So this is a scrunchie and I love this. I have long hairs and I do have hair falls, and सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हमारे पास तभी होती है जब हमें रबड़ निकालना होता है अपने हेयर से और उसके अंदर बाल जो होते हैं वो उलझ जाते हैं. So yeah, this is the perfect solution for that. You can have this and yeah, the hair don't stick over it. The next product is again a very basic product, but I genuinely love it. I use this as a face moisturizer when I have to apply the makeup. So it is the Vaseline non-greasy lotion. I have this small tube and I just love this. Before makeup, I generally feel that we need to have a good moisturizer coat on our skin so that the makeup don't stays on our skin for so long and also don't penetrate in our skin and cause pimples and other things. So yeah, I prefer this as it is oil based, so it will be useful to remove the makeup, and yes, it is helpful for all those who use makeup. I will definitely give a big thumbs up to. So coming to our next category, which is makeup. So coming to our first product in makeup category, I have one of my most used product which I used for so long. So the first product is the Bioorganic Flawless BB Cream. I have used this as my foundation base, and yes, I love this product. It is so flawless, and yes, for all those makeup lovers जो एक बहुत अच्छा base ढूंढ रहे हैं makeup के लिए, those starters who are trying to get into makeup feel. So yes, it's a big thumbs up for me. And the color of this product, the texture of the product is amazing. I have used this for a long time, so yes, I can say that it's a big thumbs up for me. So you can try this as well. So the next product है हमारा, वो भी बहुत कॉमन प्रोडक्ट है एक, बट आई जस्ट लव दिस हाउ इट वर्क्स. एंड ये जनरली एक मेकअप प्रोडक्ट नहीं है, बट आई यूज दिस एज अ मेकअप प्रोडक्ट. मैंने इसको अंडर आई बेकिंग के लिए यूज़ किया था एंड इट वर्क्स लाइक एनीथिंग एल्स. सो इट इज़ Pond's Magic Fresh Talcum, and yes, I just love this. I generally use this for under eye baking when I don't have any other translucent or loose powder. I use this and it works like magic. So you can give it a try. It's just a matter of 10 days. If it works for you, I have used this and I can say that it worked for me. So a big thumbs up. So the next product I have is the most recent product I have purchased in terms of makeup. So it is the Insight Ultra Thin Second Skin Long Wear Foundation. I bought this small tube, but I love the formula of this. I love the color, I love the formula, the way it just smudges, the way it spreads. I ordered this online और जो मैंने शेड चूज़ किया था वही शेड आया, and I am really happy for the shade because वो मेरी स्किन टेक्सचर से बहुत ज़्यादा मैच कर रहा है. It looks completely natural. So yeah, you can give it a try. I will get a big tube for this as soon as I finish this, and I would recommend you all just have one good foundation like this, and it will work for you in any function. So the next product I have is from Color Bar, and it's Color Bar Full Cover Makeup Stick with the coverage, and I just love this stick so much as it works as a concealer for me, and I just love the formula, the way it spreads, the way it smudges is amazing, and I just love it. If you are searching for a good makeup stick or starting concealer stick, so you can definitely give it a try. It is really amazing. By the way, I will link every product in the description box, so do check it out. And if you are liking this video, so do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So the next product I have is the MAC Gel Eyeliner, and it's again the most used product of mine. I generally use this as my kajal as well as eyeliner, and it is amazing. It works for me both as kajal and eyeliner. And हाँ ये छोटी है, but yes, the amount we are using is also very little. It's just a patla wala brush. You have to just dip it in this and you have to just apply it. The color is so dark, the pigmentation is so dark, the way it spreads is amazing. And as an liner, I feel that it smudges a little bit, but I usually use this and I just love it. You can give it a try. I have tried this and for me it's a big hug. Alright, so for the next product, I have this lip pencil by Color Bar. It's the Color Bar Cream Nude 006 Lip Liner and Definer. So I just love this product. The color of this product is so natural. It has new colors. It's just so natural. I just love nude, and I generally use this pencil to just outline my lips or to just fill my lips with this. And with this, I have my most used lipstick, as मैंने ये पिछले वीडियो में बताया था that I have used this quite a lot, and it's Lac Absolute Matte Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade 14 Nude Hit, and I just love this color. It is completely nude color, and you can give it a try. It is a matte. It won't make your lips dry, but on the same way, it's a matte. So for the last product I have is the Maybelline New York Color Show Nail Color Remover with Vitamin E. I just use this and I just love this product. जिस तरीके से ये nail paint या nail enamel हटाता है is amazing, and it works like a magic. So if you are in search of a good nail paint remover or nail color remover, so you can give it a try. I will try to link this below in the description box. You can go and check it. So yeah, for this video that's it, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, like this, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. So until next video, take care, bye.